Okay. So today, we're working on a Jeep. Been doing a bad job of videoing, working on this thing. But here soon I'll do an update on everything I've done. But today, we're installing a snorkel. I took stocking, put it in there, just kind of helped with dust and mud and somewhat water. But that's what we're going to be doing today, so let's get started. Here's the template. This is, a lot of people wonder what this is. For like Jeeps over in the UK, they have a marker light right here. Be just like this. I forgot my Okay, so now the template's on, and you just mark out your holes. So make sure the top of this template is flush with the fender. Okay, so I have the holes marked, which you won't be able to see because black Sharpie on a dark colored Jeep. But so now you're just going to drill out the holes, and then over here you'll need a 3-inch hole saw. I don't have one, 3.5, 3-inch, but I'm gonna use this drill, this one, just to make a hole. This is a 2-inch. Okay, so update on the snorkel is on. So you have this bracket back here that rivets onto your A-pillar. You clamp. I've seen kits come with 3 of these clamps. 2 are silver, 1's black.